Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is your next 24 hours. Let's see what will be your next 24 hours. So pick a pile reading. So you need to choose one pile, whichever you are drawn towards. Let's move into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose yellow pile? Your next 24 hours. So pile number 1, who choose yellow pile, you are going to fight with your lover, your loved one, or your best friend. You will be having fight with your best friend or loved one. If at all you already fight, you already had a fight, you are thinking about that. You are thinking about that these 24 hours you are going to think about that fighting or that misunderstanding. Not misunderstanding, actually you ended the connection, I think. So you are thinking about that ending with your loved one or your lover, the person who is in your life, who is very special to you. In these 24 hours you are thinking about that ending friendship or relationship. So in these 24 hours you are thinking about those moments which you spent with them, or you are mourning about that, you are crying about that ending. In these 24 hours you are going to think about the person, your ex, I can say. They are no more your lover, your ex. So you are thinking about your ex in this next 24 hours. Let's move on to pile number 2, who choose blue pile. What will be your next 24 hours? So pile number 2, your next 24 hours will be, your thoughts will be regarding your career matters, your financial matters. In this 24 hours you are going to, next 24 hours you are going to think about your finances, how to improve it, or if you are having business, you are trying to improve it. So you are just thinking about new opportunities, career wise or financial wise. You are just thinking about your pentacles, not thinking about anyone. You are just concentrating about your pentacles. So in this next 24 hours you are just thinking about your coins, thinking about your coins, thinking about new opportunities, thinking about your job, your profession. So your whole focus is for next 24 hours is your money, your finance. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose white pile. So what will be your 24 hours? So pile number 3, who choose white pile. So your next 24 hours you are going to, my card is very funny, so please excuse me for my laughing. So next 24 hours you all want to hold something tightly. You have something with you, so you just want to hold it more tightly. Whether it is your finance, whether it is your girlfriend, boyfriend, whether it is your relationship, your job, your business, whatever you have in your life. So in this next 24 hours you are just going to hold it tightly. You are not giving any free space to it, or you are just not going, you are not letting go about something. You are holding tightly about those things. Whatever you have in your life, you are very much particularly holding those things. You are not ready to share those things with anyone. If it is a person, you are not letting them go. If it is your career or job, you are just focusing more on it. You are totally keeping your concentration on your money. If it is money, if it is a situation, if it is painful also, you are holding it tightly. You are not letting it go. So in this next 24 hours you are just holding the things very tightly. You are not letting them move forward or letting it go. You are just holding them tightly for next 24 hours also. Let's move on to pile number 5. Sorry, pile number 4. Who choose red pile? Pile number 4. Next 24 hours you will be very intelligent or creative. In next 24 hours you will be very intelligent, creative, or I can say careful, very much careful. Whatever you think, whatever you do, whatever decision you are taking, in this next 24 hours you will be very much careful, very careful about those things. Whatever happen in this next 24 hours, you will be very careful. You are taking it seriously, and actually your nature is a carefree nature, I think. Whatever comes, whatever goes kind of thing. But in this next 24 hours, you will be very careful about the things, what is coming, what is going, what you are getting, what you are losing, whatever you are thinking, what is the thoughts you are coming to your mind. You are very much careful about all those things. Whatever in your life, whether it is a person, people, situations, whatever is there, you are very much careful about those things. I mean, you are not just carelessly thinking, carelessly entering people, or carelessly losing your money kind of. Maybe you are that kind of nature you maybe hold in the earlier, but next 24 hours whatever comes, you will be very careful about that. You are taking it as serious, taking that as a very serious and not just simply playfully kind of thing. You are taking it as a serious. You won't be fooled, I can say. In the next 24 hours, you won't be fooled, or no one can make you fool in these 24 hours. You will be very much intelligent and careful person. So, let's move on to pile number 5, who choose green pile. Next 24 hours. So, pile number 5. I think you are very much with very much conflict. So finally, you decided to move to calmer waters. You are very much stressed. So in this next 24 hours, you are not thinking about that conflicts or stressful things which make you sad or bad or painful. You are just leaving all those things, and you just want to keep yourself calm in this next 24 hours. You want to calm yourself. You just don't want to take any headaches or any kind of conflicts, fightings. You don't want to fight with anyone. Just keeping yourself very calm. Cool. In next 24 hours, you will be a very cool person. You just don't want to stay with the people who are chaotic or who create dramas, conflicts, fightings. You just want to move, or in this next 24 hours, you won't stay with that kind of people. You just look for your peace, calmness. Yeah, I think mentally you want to be peaceful situation. So you look for your mental peace. So this next 24 hours, you will be very calm, cool, mentally peaceful person. You want to be. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. For personal readings or in-depth reading, you can mail me. You can find the details in description box.